Welcome to the Sunrise Wake Up Yoga. Namaste. Start with your feet hips width. Bend your knees and raise your arms. Look up, inhaling, exhaling, full forward. Maintain your knees bent and do this movement from your hips. Abdomen activated. Hold your pelvic floor. Inhale and exhale. Maintain your shoulders away of your ears. Chin to your chest when you go down. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in, synchronize with your movement. Inhale, look up, and exhale, very slowly go down. Take your ankles, hands on the back of your head, chin to your chest. Place your hands on the floor, look up, inhale, and exhale, roll back. Inhale, raise your arms, exhale, hands to your chest. Well done. Stay at the beginning of the mat. Inhale, look up, raise your arms, exhale, full forward. Inhale, look up, and exhale, full forward. Do these asanas with flow, using your breathing, synchronize with your movement. Bend your knees, width to your toes, and go very slowly. Roll up. Inhale, look up, raise your arms. Exhale, go to Utkatasana and full forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, right step back. Go to Adho Mukha. Right leg up, step in front, and go to Warrior One. Exhaling, go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Shoulders away, open your column, open your hips. Weight to your toes, to your whole soles of your feet. Bend your knees, place all the body on the floor, and exhaling, go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right step in front and go to Warrior One again. Inhale, exhale, place your hands and go to the beginning of the mat, both feet together. Inhale, look up and go. Hold the body up, hands to your chest, exhaling. Feel your body, balance, breathe deeply. And inhale, look up, exhale, Utkatasana, and drop forward. Inhale, look up, shoulders away, exhale, left step back, both, and go to Adho Mukha. Relax your neck, place your knees, your chest, the whole body on the floor. Inhale and exhale, go back to Adho Mukha and adjust the pose. Go again, left step in front and go to Warrior One. Place your hands and go to the beginning of the mat. Inhale and exhale, relax your neck. Go again, inhaling, extend your column and go up. Exhaling, hands to your chest. Well done. Breathe deeply and feel your body and your mind relax. Take your brick and place it in front of you. Feet hips width again and shift all your weight to your left foot. Open your chest and take your right thumb and try to extend right leg. Open your chest, open your left arm and hold the pose. Very slowly, Place your right feet in front of your left thigh. You can use your brick to support your balance. Don't worry if you fall, you can repeat slowly. Hands to your chest and drop your weight to your toes and use your brick to support yourself. Look in front, shoulders away. And if you reach the floor with balance, place your hands on the ground and drop forward. Inhale deeply, look in front, and exhale very, very slowly. Go up and onto the pose, extending right leg and right step back. Go to lunge. Take out the brick from your mat. And from lunge to extend leg in front. Maintain this exercise. Focusing your mind on this moment. Feel the movement of your body. Use your breathing. And very slowly drop yourself in front and right leg up, extending as much as possible. We follow with a balanced pose, right hand on the floor and take your right foot with your left hand. And do the pose very slowly. And extend your right leg in front. Use the bricks on the sides if necessary. And go extend it again, drop forward and extend in front. Do this movement. Use your bricks to adjust the pose, align your body. Shoulders away of your ears. Abdomen very activated in and up. And slowly look up in front and exhaling, drop forward. Hold the pose. Inhale, look up, exhaling, roll the whole body up. Hands to your chest. And release a little bit, move your body. Inhale and exhale, smile. And we're gonna do the other side. Feel the whole body balance and wave towards the right foot. It's your base thrust. Keep a fixed point of view to help your balance. Take your left thumb and try to extend as much as possible that leg. You can do it with your bent knee. Hold the pose and very slowly keep the fixed point of view. Put the left foot on your right thigh. Use your bricks to support yourself in this pose. It's an intense hip opener. And try to fall forward. Keeping your balance. Mind in this moment. Inhale, look up. Exhale very slowly, abdomen activated. Go onto the pose, extend the leg in front of you. and go to lunge. Big step back, extend again, and do this movement concentrated on sensations, strength, and balance. Well done. Now extend the leg back and up. Wait to your tiptoes. Relax neck. Root your left hand, shoulder width. Bend your left knee and take the feet with your right hand. Look on the floor. You can do it with your right leg bended a bit. Extend again. Use your breaks to help and create movement by bringing the extended leg forward, contracting the pelvic floor and abdomen in and up. At the same time you are doing this movement, feel the strength. Feel your balance. Exhale, extend. Inhale, pull forward. And very slowly take out your breaks. Inhale, look up. Exhale, pull forward. Go step by step, bringing your torso closer to the other legs in this posture. Move a little bit your hips and your legs. Release any tension. Inhale, look up, and exhale, roll your back. Go into an upright pose. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, hands to your chest. And breathe. Go into the beginning of the mat. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale, look up, extend. Exhale, go to plank. To plank to chaturanga. Chaturanga to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Knees don't touch the ground. And go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Relax your head, relax your neck. Breathe very deeply. Bring your breath to your abdomen and sides. Right step in front. Bring both feet. Exhale and inhale. Look up. Whole body stand up in this pose. And follow. Inhale. Exhale. Fall forward. Inhale. Look up. Extend your column. Exhale. Left step back. Right and stay in plank. To plank to chaturanga. To chaturanga to Urdhva Mukha. Exhale in Adho Mukha. Breathe in this pose. Left step in front. Look up. Both feet. Inhale, shoulders away. Exhale. Well done. Inhaling, go up. Exhaling, hands to your chest. Feel the posture of the mountain, well aligned. Head, shoulders, hips, knees, and ankles in line. Calm your breathing, your heart rhythm. Go a little step back. Feet hips width. And we're going to take right feet, table in, raise your left arm and fall a little bit forward. Chin to your chest. Look at the ground in a fixed point to maintain your balance and mind concentrated. And very slowly onto the pose and extend. And go back again to land with your knee on the floor. Lean your body back. Exhaling, drop to your left leg. Relax your head, move a little bit. Inhale, look up, exhale, go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bend your knees and jump in front in Malasana. Feet in external rotation, 45 degrees. Hands together on your chest. Inhale, go up, extend the whole body. Exhale, hands on your chest again. Feet hips width. Bring all the weight on your right leg. Take your left feet, fixed point of view. Extend right arm and very slowly let yourself fall forward. Table in and go back in lunge with your knee resting on the floor. Lean your body back. Look up. If it's no pain in your neck, if not, look in front. And exhaling, drop yourself to your right leg and rest for a bit here. Place your hands on the floor, inhale and exhaling. Go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Adjust the pose. Bend your knees and jump with your crossed legs and sit on the floor. You can use your shuffle under your buttocks. Try to direct your knees to the floor, under your hips, and hold attention on your breath. Inhale and exhale by your nose, filling the space inside of you, the peace. Interlock your fingers and place them under your chin. Inhale, looking forward. Exhale, looking up, opening the airway. Move your elbows toward your torso when you exhale. Inhale by your nose, exhale by your mouth, very deeply. Relax your neck and your head, moving to the right and to your left. Wrap your hands. Feel your heat, your energy on your eyes. Release tension in this part of your body. Very slowly go, open your arms, your eyes, and be thankful. Namaste. Enjoy your day and be happy.